Hey, what's up everyone? This is Arel of Yugatech, and today we are introducing you to RFOX and a guide on how to buy RFOX tokens right from the comfort of your home using your trusty laptop. Before we begin, allow me to give you a quick background on RFOX. RFOX is a metaverse company building immersive experiences focused on retail, media, gaming, and rewards. And speaking of gaming, the company also has a venture called RFOX Games, which was started in 2019 to create an ecosystem of interoperable tournament-based games that utilizes emerging technologies like blockchain. One of its products is COGS NFTs and the COGS Slam mobile game. COGS stands for Keys to Other Games, which consist of collectible, playable, tradable, and non-fungible tokens or NFTs. COGS act as an in-game currency which unlocks tournaments and skins and provides VIP access to special events and virtual metaverses. COGS Slam, on the other hand, is a free-to-play game that utilizes COGS. In this case, the NFTs takes the form of collectible COGS with a unique artwork on the front. You can win and get COGS from the game's arena or in-app shop, or you can also purchase it via the marketplace or mint your own via COGS Mint Lab. At the heart of it is the RFOX token. If you have RFOX tokens, you can access RFOX's ecosystem, where the centerpiece is the RFOX Vault, which is a fully immersive shopping, retail, and entertainment experience in VR. You can also use RFOX tokens for transactions within the immersive metaverse, the shops they host, and beyond. RFOX NFTs, which is an end-to-end white label creation website and shared liquidity pool platform that allows businesses to simply create NFTs. You can purchase and trade NFTs such as COGS and more using RFOX as the payment method. RFOX Games, which we already mentioned earlier, which features COGS and the COGS Slam game. You can also earn COGS NFTs and coins in the game, then exchange these coins to RFOX. RFOX Media is an online media venture building content platform and experiences that will allow users to earn rewards and create content. You can play games or join promos to win food or retail vouchers and earn through participative contribution programs. You will be able to purchase content such as videos, images, and more in the upcoming media platform using RFOX NFTs, tokens, or other featured DeFi offerings. And speaking of DeFi, they've got RFOX Finance, which empowers RFOX holders to utilize DeFi products and services to access previously untapped revenue streams. You can earn RFOX and VFOX tokens by participating in DeFi products like staking pools. If you are wondering about VFOX tokens, they act as the rewards token of RFOX Vault and the rest of the RFOX ecosystem. VFOX holders who participate in single-sided staking, yield farming, and other DeFi activities will gain RFOX rewards from activities within the RFOX Vault and other RFOX businesses. As you can see, the RFOX ecosystem is huge, and for you to tap into this ecosystem is to purchase RFOX tokens. How to purchase, you might ask? Here's how you do it. In order to get yourself some RFOX tokens, you will need to configure your MetaMask account first. RFOX can be purchased in either ERC20 standard of Ethereum or the BEP20 token standard of Binance Smart Chain, but for this guide, we'll focus on the latter. Once you have your MetaMask extension installed and get your account logged in, you will notice that it defaults to the Ethereum network. We'll need to switch to the Binance Smart Chain network by doing the following. Step 1. On the upper right corner in the MetaMask window, click on the circle icon to bring up the My Accounts menu. Step 2. Click on the settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Click on Networks, then click on Add Network to create a mainnet network. Step 4. Add the following details. Step 5. Click Save and return to the main menu. You'll notice two things. The network has automatically been set to the one you just entered, and then the units are no longer denominated by Ethereum but in BNB. Next, we need to add the RFOX tokens address for the BEP20 network. So on your MetaMask account under Assets, scroll down until you see Import Tokens and then click on it. Then on the token contact address, add the RFOX BEP20 address. The token symbol and token decimal will automatically be filled out. Please note that you should only use tokens BEP20 address when transacting on their Binance Smart Chain network. Click on Add Custom Token and you're done. Your MetaMask address is now configured for the BSC network and ready to receive RFOX tokens. For the next step, we will be using the Binance as a way to get some cash from your RFOX tokens. And just like MetaMask, you need to have an account for Binance to get BNB. Once you have gone through email verification and Google authentication for your Binance account, you can then head over to use your credit or debit card to buy BNB. To transfer your BNB token into your MetaMask, head over to the Fiat and Spot tab. Locate BNB and tap Withdraw. You then place in your MetaMask address, indicate how much you will be withdrawing, and you should see your BNB balance reflect in your respective MetaMask. Keep in mind that it may take some time for it to reflect, but don't worry, it will show up. If you see your BNB token balance in your wallet, you are ready to have it converted using RFOX Finance by going to this address. Just like how you connected your MetaMask wallet address to Binance, you will be doing the same in RFOX Finance. When that is set up, you can have your BNB converted into RFOX tokens. Boom! You now have RFOX tokens and you can now access the RFOX ecosystem. Alternatively, you have earned some coins in COG Slam game. You can convert your coins to RFOX, swap RFOX to WAX tokens, send WAX to your Binance wallet, and sell your WAX tokens for cash via bank transfer or GCash. We have a detailed article on how to do it linked down in the description box. Last year, RFOX collaborated with Miss Universe Philippines to launch the pageant's NFT collection and with the Reebok to support its NFT drop for an exclusive sneaker line using RFOX white label NFT platform. There are more projects to come this 2022 for RFOX, so stay tuned for that. If you are curious to find out more about RFOX and what's next for this innovative company, we have placed the link to it in the description box below. And there you go, a quick guide on how to buy RFOX tokens. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. And if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit the bell icon so to miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit yugitech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Rel. I'll catch you guys in the next one.